Welcome. Have you ever wondered how to install a Claude plugin? Well, I'm going to show you. It's really simple. And in particular, if you just got our new Dream 100 skill plugin, you may want to know how to install it. So watch me here. It's really simple. I'm going to go ahead and move myself out of the way here. We'll move me down over here so it's easy. We're going to go into Customize. I am on the desktop app as I'm using this, but it works as well anywhere else. And we're going to click on, once we do that, go over to look, and we have apps, skills, and plugins. We're going to click Browse Plugins. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to click on Personal, and then we get this little plus sign that we're going to go ahead and update. So all we have to do here is click on plus and upload plugin. You want to make sure they give you a warning. Make sure you trust who you're doing. So if you've got this from me, I can promise you you're good. If you got it from somebody else, just make sure you trust them. It's probably okay, but it's good to make sure you trust them. And then you're going to browse your files. You're going to go find that app, that plugin. In this case, it's in my directory over here, wherever you saved it. And let me go ahead and just find it. There we go. Oops. Let's do it this way. Help if I go to the right folder. There it is. There's my Dream 100 plugin. We're going to select that file, and we're going to go ahead and install and click upload, and it will automatically install that. Once it's installed, mine already is, so I'm going to show this to you. Once it's installed, you can take a look at this, and you can always uninstall it if you want. It would remove any of the plugins. And you can see in this case, this is Dream 100. It's the 100 skills for your AI that we believe you need. It's 10 per every major department within your organization. You can click down here and you get to see all of them. You can even get details on all of them so that you can go ahead and go over. So like market leading creative teams. Creative teams produce the best work when they receive clear briefs, constructive feedback, and protected capacity. This skill teaches you to write or to brief creative work effectively, give feedback that improves quality rather than just adding revision rounds, and build a review process that respects creative capacity and delivering on commercial goals. So anything that we've got in here we could do, let's say on IP strategy for legal. IP is often the most valuable thing in a business and least protected thing. This skill teaches you how to identify your intellectual property, understand your protection options, and build basic IP hygiene practices and avoid mistakes that give away what look like or what took years to build. Now, this is obviously, I'm not an attorney and this isn't legal advice, but we've given all kinds. So we've got admin department, you've got CS. This is just for this plugin. Every plugin is going to be different, but if you want to install them, it's that easy. Go ahead and just click that plugin file once you're there. So real quick reminder, how do we do that? We go over to Customize, Browse Plugins, click on Personal, and then click the plus one right here and say Upload Plugin. Browse the file and you're all set and ready to go. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, let us know, especially if it's one of the plugins you've gotten from us at Whitebeard Strategies. Thanks.